Cropping pattern. In India, 3 cropping seasons are found: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. This given list depicts the season of sowing, harvesting, major crops and regions in which they grow majorly. Major crops. Depending upon the different climatic conditions, various crops are grown in India. Rice, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, sugarcane, cotton, and oilseeds are some major crops grown in India. Let us know few of them in details. Rice. India is the second largest rice producer in the world. It grows well in high temperature and humidity and more rainfall. The map of India shown here depicts the major rice producer areas. Wheat. It is the main food crop of northern India. It requires normal rainfall. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, and Haryana are some major wheat-producing states. Millets. In India, bajra, jowar, and ragi are important millets. They are rich sources of proteins and carbohydrates. Major millets-producing states are shown in the table. Maize. It's a kharif crop which requires normal temperature and rainfall. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Bihar, and Andhra Pradesh are some major maize-producing states. Pulses. These are the major sources of protein. They survive in less moisture and have a lot of varieties like arhar, masoor, gram, urad, and moong. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Karnataka are the major pulses-producing states. Food crops other than grains. In India, different varieties of food crops are grown which are not grains. Sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee, horticulture crops are the examples of food crops other than grains. Apart from this, some non-food crops like rubber, fiber crops, cotton, and jute are also cultivated in India. Let us know about them one by one. Sugarcane. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane. It grows well in humid condition with normal rainfall. In the less rainfall area, irrigation is the medium by which water is provided to this crop. A lot of products like sugar, jaggery, and molasses are made from sugarcane. Majorly it is cultivated in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka, etc. Oilseeds. Approximately 12% of Indian cropped area is used to cultivate different oilseeds: mustard, groundnut, coconut, castor seeds, linseed, soybean, and sunflower are the main seeds cultivated in India. Out of these oilseeds, approximately 50% of total cultivation is done for groundnut. Majorly, it is cultivated in Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, etc. Tea. India is one of the major tea cultivating countries. Tea plants grow well in well-drained soil, in humus and organic matter. Light rainfall with frequent showers is required to grow the leaves well. Majorly, it is cultivated in Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Meghalaya, Himachal Pradesh, Tripura, Uttarakhand, and Tamil Nadu, etc. Coffee. India is well known for cultivation of good quality coffee. In India, it is cultivated in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Now let us know the horticulture crops. India is one of the largest producer and exporter of fruits and vegetables in the world.